Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to select a custom background for your desktop PC. Now, first of all you need to do is right click on your mouse and then go to personalize. From here, you have to go under choose a picture and see this browse button. Now click on there and you will have this Windows pop-up. In here, you have to go to your files directory where you have saved your picture, and for me that is here. This is the picture that I have saved and I'm going to choose this as my background. So after selecting your picture, you have to click choose picture, and the picture should now be your background just like this. Just before I had a Windows default background, now I have my pictures background. That's how you can select your custom background for your PC. Now remember, if you have, if you do not have a high resolution picture, it's going to look blurry like this. And I could have used a higher resolution, but I didn't. Well, I didn't have the time for doing that. But you can definitely find a higher resolution picture, and it's going to look even more fantastic than this one, obviously. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.